Yo guys, what is up? Thank you for tuning in. In today's video we are going to be making the uppers to the final pair of shoes. This is day 2 of the LSS Air Jordan 1 shoemaking course. Enjoy! So the first step is to cut out all of the pattern pieces. I'm going to be doing the white leather first, then the black leather, and then I've got some really nice authentic black Louis Vuitton that I'm going to be cutting up and incorporating into this final pair. I'm getting better with this knife, you know.
So welcome to the London Sneaker School, guys. Today we are on day 2 of the Jordan 1 class.
We're going to tune in, but wait, am I on the right YouTube channel?
Like, where's ConvertedKicks? Ida's taking over today. Follow me at AfroKicks.
So now it is time to cut up the pattern pieces using the black LV. I've got a few pieces I'm going to be doing with this, not to overpower it, but so it all links in really nice. It's funny because some of the people in the class were actually saying, do you not ever get like a bit nervous in case you cut up the wrong thing and have to do more? But it's kind of crazy to say, but I'm kind of used to it by now to cut up all this expensive fabric. So now we've got all of the black LV cut out, it's time to move on to the lining. The lining took quite a long time to cut out because some of the pieces are so big and the leather's so thin that it just makes it really difficult to cut nice and clean lines, but eventually we got there. So this is all the pattern pieces I could glue together at the moment, ready for stitching. My machine actually broke for like a whole day, so I started doing the stuff that I would be doing later on now. So I'm cutting out the sole board and then I'm cutting out the foam for the tongue and the heel. So now it's time to just do the last bit of stitching, and then that is going to be the upper complete. Here is all the stitching completely finished on the upper. Now it's time just to add the foam inserts to the heel, and the upper is finished. So this is the uppers completely finished, laced up, ready to start the lasting process. Let me know how you think I've done so far. I've really enjoyed making these, especially getting onto the final pair. And make sure you go ahead and check out my Instagram for little updates and sneak peeks and stuff like that. But thank you for watching the video, I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for day 3 when we start lasting the shoes. If you guys want to support me and get something really sick in return, then please check out the top link in the description down below. All of these are available to pre-order right now for a limited time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your week. Peace.
Ooh.